You said goodbye, leaving the words behind. And as the oversized umbrella watches you go passing by, tears of rain make the city sky look sorry. But even with a heavy mist, nothing makes me hard to see. I really want this time to last forever like the rain. So I drove my heart, held you in my arms, and gave you all I had. How could I repress our memories so fast, my love? And I'll be crying over you all through the night. Should somebody try taking you away from me, and I would rather hold you tight for eternity. Silent nights, feeling you warm embrace. My heart and mind were mesmerized by your gracious love. But now I know I took this love for granted. When the troubled waves came crashing down, you looked at me